Imagine waking up one day and deciding, I'm done watching others succeed online. I want to test if it's really possible to make money online in 2025 from scratch. But here's the catch. I'm not doing this just for me. I'm doing this for you. I want to be the person who goes through the trial and error, so you don't have to. I'll test every method, expose what works, what fails, and share it all with full honesty. There's too much fake stuff online. People selling dreams with rented cars, paid followers, and Photoshop screenshots. That's not me. I'm starting with zero audience, zero budget, and no shortcuts. I want to find out, can a regular person with no special connections actually build income online today? And the first method I'm testing is creating and selling an ebook. Why an ebook? Because it's completely free to start. No inventory, no paid ads, no website needed. If you have value to offer, a skill, experience, or knowledge, you can turn that into a product people might pay for. That's exactly what I want to show you. But I'm not just documenting this for fun. I want you to learn from it. I'll show you every step, the planning, the tools, the struggles, the wins, and the failures. So you can copy what works, avoid what doesn't, and maybe even beat me at this. Think of me as your test subject. Now here's where you come in. Before I even start writing, I want your input. Do you think ebooks can still make money in 2025? And more importantly, what topic would you actually want to read about? Something about online business, a skill guide, productivity, mindset, or even something niche and unexpected? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'll read all of them and choose one to turn into my first real digital product. Who knows, your idea might be the one that starts this entire journey. And this is just the beginning. Once I test the ebook method, I'll move on to others. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, print on demand, even the shady ones people don't like to talk about. I'll dig into those too. I'll go through it all so you don't have to waste months figuring it out alone. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the noise online, if you've ever wondered what actually works, if you've ever wanted someone to test it for you and share the real story, then you're in the right place. So hit subscribe, drop a comment with your ebook idea, and follow this journey from zero to something, maybe. Next video, I'll reveal the topic I chose, how I plan to write the ebook, and how I'll try to sell it without spending a single dollar. Let's figure this out together, because if I can do it, so can you.